So today we're going to look at how to log in to Big Ideas and how it works. So first, to log into Big Ideas, you're going to need to come up to your bookmarks, and we are going to need to access through ClassLink. ClassLink holds all of your passwords, so you always need to access your textbooks through ClassLink. So I'm going to click on ClassLink. You will sign in using the username and password that you log into your school Chromebook on. So I'm going to click Sign In. Now, since I am a teacher, I have a lot more icons than you have. You will be looking for Big Ideas because this is our math course. If you are not able to quickly find it, you may come up to the search engine, type in Big Ideas, and it will come up for you. So click on Big Ideas, and since we've already logged in through ClassLink, the password is always remembered, and the book will pop up for you. If it comes up with a username and password icon, you need to click the button that says Sign In with ClassLink. So this is what your student profile will look like. You will see your name, and you will see the course that you were in. This is the textbook that you will be using. If you were to click on this button, it would open the physical textbook. I don't want to go there. Right now, I want to see what my homework is. Down here in the very bottom left-hand corner, I will find my assignments. Now I see this red icon. It says that I have assignments that are overdue, which means I have some late assignments. Notice there are only 2 assignments listed here, but it says See All. So if I click See All, it's going to take me to another browser where I can see every single assignment ever completed or assigned. Notice I see To Do, Overdue, and Submitted. To Do is an assignment that my teacher gave me, is not late, and I have not done yet. Overdue, this is an assignment that my teacher gave me, it is late, and I have not turned it in yet. Submitted are assignments that my teacher has given me, I have completed both on time and late. Under Submitted, you will see the time that you submitted it on, the grade that you got. If you were to click on this assignment, you will be able to see a lot of details about your particular assignment. I can see the grade that I got. I can see, and so can your teacher, how long you took on your assignment. I am able to see each individual question assigned, which ones I got completely wrong, half credit, and what I needed to fix or what I needed to try and study. If you were to use this little plus sign and open it, depending on the options your teacher allowed, sometimes you are able to see the entire question, the part that you got correct, and the part that you got wrong. Please notice the red X means you got the entire question incorrect. The half orange sign means you got a portion of the problem correct. Underneath the score, you can see how much. For this particular problem, number 2, I got half credit. For problem number 3, I got a quarter credit. So let's go back to our assignments. So under my To Do tab, my Monday homework, there were 20 questions assigned to me, and I have not done any of them. It was assigned at 8:35 on the 26th, and I know I have until the 27th at 8:35. I had 1 day to do this assignment until it's considered late. So let's go to the overdue and take a look at the overdue. This is a practice number 2, and it only has 3 problems, and I haven't done anything yet. Because it's overdue, it's late. So I'm going to click on this practice problem. My homework assignment 2 is up, so I want to start it. So we have a problem here that we're going to do. It says to select the graph of the function and its parent. Well, 4x I know is linear. They are all linear. He had a slope of 4, which meant I went up 4 over 1. So looking at the red line, up 4 over 1, I believe this is the answer. So then I need to finish it. Describe the transformation. The graph of the function is a vertical. I think the red line was stretching high, and I know that it is a linear function because it was a straight line. So this is what I think my answer is. Notice there's a check button down here. I am able to check my work. So if I click the check button, if that got a green check mark, that meant it was correct. So let's come over here to problem number 2 that I had already done, and I want to check it. So if I check it, I see red X's, which means I did not do it right. Just because it's wrong doesn't mean you can't do it again. So we need to correct it. So this means we need to go back to our notes, redo the problem, and correct our answers, and then check again. Your teachers are allowed to set how many checks you are allowed to use. I would highly, highly, highly recommend that you actually do the math, that you do not just use this check button to guess and check and do the problems. You are not learning if you are just guessing and checking and randomly hitting. Please try to do the math by yourself. Now, when you are done, you're going to go through to the very end, and you are going to hit submit. It's going to ask you, are you wanting to submit? And yes, I want to submit. I just completed my late assignment, so I have no more late work to do. I can go and check my work under submitted. Practice number 2 is the late work that I just did. I see that I got 44% correct. So if I click on this, I can go back and look at it. My teacher and I can also see that I only spent 2.5 minutes on this assignment and got a 44%. So down here I can see of the 3 problems, I forgot to answer problem number 1. I got problem number 2 partial credit. I only got 1/3 of it correct. And I got problem number 3 all the way correct. If you want to redo the assignments, you will need to email your teacher and ask them if you were able to redo the assignments again if you did not get a score high enough.